Oh, Mimi, are you excited? Are you excited to go to McDonald's? Yay! Wow! What do you want to eat? Want to eat French fries? Okay. Wow, McDonald's! McDonald's! We're here in McDonald's! Whoa!
Skylight toys.
Where are we? McDonald's! Yes, we're in McDonald's. We're going to treat Mimi, the dinosaur. He's a good dinosaur today. We're going to eat what? French fries. Happy Meal. Wow. We got Happy Meal. Where's the toy? We got the Pokemon. Whose Pokemon is that? Wow, it's a large French fries. Want one? Yeah. And we got... Oh, you want more French fries? Here's your Big Mac. Share together. Okay. What? We got a toy! Yeah, this is a Pokemon toy. I don't know who's this one. Who's this one, Skyheart?
I don't.
You don't know? Maybe we'll find out later. And we got Chicken McNuggets. Okay. We got... Ta-da! Okay, let's eat. Oh, first the ice cream. I forgot. We have ice cream. What's your favorite, Mimi? Ah, yummy! Mimi, Skyheart too. Oh, wow! Oh, you want French fries? Yeah. Hey, wait for your turn. Oh, you have to wait for your turn. That's not good. That's not good. Wait for your turn, Mimi, okay? Here, here's your McNuggets. Are you hungry? Use tissue. So dirty. So dirty already, okay? Clean your mouth. Okay, you want this Big Mac? Wait. Let's see if this is good for you. See? Wow, it's that. It's that. It's that. What are you doing? No. Hey. No, we cannot eat that anymore. Let's open the Pokemon toy. Look. Look, meet the Pokemon toy. What does it do? Let's see. What does it do? Ooh, do you need to put batteries? Look at the Pokemon toy.
Good dinosaur.
There you go. So, give him ice cream. How about ice cream? I think he likes ice cream, Skyheart. Mimi's so hungry. Don't eat all of the ice cream, Mimi. Say thank you, Mimi. Oh, he's saying thank you, Skyheart. Give him ice cream. Oh, I think... Are you thirsty? Must be thirsty. Here's your iced tea. You want iced tea, Skyheart? Yummy. More iced tea? No? No more? Look at